So what is a yoga therapist? Get asked this all the time. And of course, I often give answers about what we share, the techniques we use, physical asana versus meditation, what conditions we work with. But really at the core, a yoga therapist is a yogi. And it's a yogi who is committed to taking the knowledge gained as a yogi and sharing it with people who are suffering. As yogis, we are trying to lessen our own suffering and therefore lessen the suffering of the world around us. As yoga therapists, we are dedicated to lessening suffering in the world around us. Most of us become yoga therapists or want to become yoga therapists because we see that suffering, we see how yoga has helped us, and we want to share that information with the world. And that's why we created Breathing Deeply Yoga Therapy, to give the most efficient, practical way to do this that we could think of.
Purnamada Purnamidam Purnaha Purnahudachyate Purnahasya Purnamadahya Purnamavaha Vashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti